What's going on? I hope you can see me. It's dark out. I just put the track back together because of the mowing situation, and now we're all good to go. The funny thing is, so I got things kind of mixed up somehow. I don't know how, because, well, I don't have numbers on them, but anyway, so this is going to be probably a little different. It looks like it's gonna run good, I mean, as far as I can tell, but the only way to find out is to test it. So I'm gonna do a real quick test. It's a little windy out. Hopefully you can hear me. Anyway, let's get going. So yeah, losing the light. Got the old style starter and some new stuff. All right, here we go. Track hammer, this is called. It looks interesting. And I thought this was real cool looking. This is it's actually like a French car, Renault? And it opens like that. It's a matchbox. Anyway, let's get going. Track hammer took off. All right, I had one of these, got lost in shipping, so we're gonna, pretty good detail, pretty neat thing on the side. It's a Silverado, newer one. And now this is cool. It's early Mercedes, gold wing, but the doors don't open. Ooh, I kind of jacked up that start. Track's kind of messing around a little bit, but we'll keep going. Ooh, Silverado. I think he caught that guy. That was kind of a smooth boat forward thing. Okay, one more new one. Porsche, early model. I saw this, I thought, I'm gonna go ahead and get that. Had about 3-pack, so I had to get one junker out of the deal. And this is a 61 Dart. Yeah, we got the tracks set right here where boards are uneven. more time. Give it one more shot. Jeez, sorry. It is testing though. I don't know. I might have jacked something up. I have to take some time to get it figured out. Okay. No, one more test, and then we're gonna shut her down. 57 Chevy. And I believe it's a 64 Galaxy. It's getting a little better. Staple that down so maybe there's not quite as much shake. Okay, here we go. Testing, testing. Dang it. Only a couple more. Right? Alright. I can't see. It's getting too dark. Anyway, a little bit of testing too. You guys have a good one. I'm going to be back with some rail racing here next couple days. Thanks.